Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to install Mattermost on Windows. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Currently, I'm using my Chrome, so let's go with this. Then you want to type in and search for install Mattermost, just like that. Then you want to click on this official link, this second one, which says install the Mattermost desktop app. So let's click this, and this is the URL at the top. Then on this page, you want to click for Windows from the Microsoft Store. This option right over here. Once you do, it'll lead you to the Microsoft Store, and then you want to click on download. Like that, and the download should start just like what you're seeing right now. Now, once you pull up that file and install the installer, it'll lead you to this page, another Microsoft Store, wherein you can definitely install now the Mattermost for desktop. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to install Mattermost on Windows in just a few simple steps. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!